would like to greet Empoy and your family. Kamusta ka? Hello.
Is Empoy courting you?
No, he's a friend of mine. Say hi, Ethan Sunday.
I'm just joking, okay. You're leaving on Tuesday?
Yes,
Going back
right.
to Malaysia?
Yes, back to Malaysia.
Okay, siya po ay gumagawa ng movie by June. They will do a movie with Jericho and
Christine Hermosa.
Christine Hermosa. Wow, ganda ano yan. Tandem, ha? Under Star Cinema, that's right.
That's right.
Who's going to be your director?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Okay. Good luck. And
Thank
again,
you.
okay. These guys are the famous vocalists of the band.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm so sorry. I'm still trying to learn everything about Philippines. So, hello, Noel. How are you?
Ayos lang.
I like you, Noel. Yan naman, that's the Pinoy. That's the Pinoy.
Bawal sa religion namin mag-English.
He's saying that it's not good for them to speak in English. That's bawal. That's not allowed.
Really? But I won't understand you.
You know, it's okay. You can talk in English.
And then you translate. Okay.
Okay.
Are you a singer or you play
Ikaw ba isang
instruments?
singer o nagpapagpapagpapag? Okay, okay. Parang
It's like another myth.
Mga awit.
he's a singer.
You're a singer. What kind of songs do you sing?
Ano mga kantang ginagawa mo? Kinakanta mo?
Alternative.
Oo. Bahala ka na. Bahala ka na. Okay, okay. Bahala na. Alternative, ha? Kung pagod ka na, may maglilipapalit sa'yo. Alternative. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Alright?
And does he sing English songs?
Okay, kumakanta daw ng mga English.
Hindi.
Wala nga.
Hindi. No.
Bawal, bawal.
Bawal means no.
No,
It's
not at all.
not allowed.
Not allowed. Okay. Are you going to perform today?
May perform ka ba? Yes, yes.
You are? Okay, that's great. What's the name of your band?
Shackle.
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 What does that mean?
Ano ba ibig sabihin ng shackle?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi rin na alam. You doesn't also. Yeah, maybe you have a meaning. You have a meaning of the shackle. Do you know what the meaning of shackle?
No.
Okay. Dumudugo na ilong. Dudugo ilong ko dito. Okay. You wanna hear him?
Yes, I do.
Okay, again, ladies and gentlemen. Wait. You have some shows coming? Mga coming shows?
Sa April 21, nandiyan kami sa Bicol, sa Legazpi. Kasama namin ng Green Department at si Dodong Cruz ng Dayut. At sa 26 sa Palawan ako sa Rojas.
Okay, they're very famous here.
Kinukumusta ka nga pala ng mga taga-Palawan?
Ay, nako, of course. Mahal natin mga taga-Palawan. Sana makapag-perform tayo dyan. Sana mag-show kami dyan. Okay? Alright, that's
Sa
right.
Caloocan yung airmat ko, kinukumusta ka.
Ayaw, nanay, kamusta po?
Dati nagpa-basketball ka pa nun sa Parañaque.
Talaga? Okay, ha? Santo Niño. Kamusta? Santo Niño, kamusta? Okay. Okay, Noel, pagdidig mo lang sa amin. Okay, from Shackle, Noel, the man!
Wawawi!
Nalilimutan ka. Di ko malaman sa'yo kung ano ang drama mo. Bakit lagi mo na lang sinasaktan ang puso ko? Tandang-tanda ko pa nung tayo'y namamasyal. Napasulyap lang sa iba, bigla mo na akong sinampal. Sa kaseselos mo nga'y lalong minahal kita. Subalit nasaan ka na, sumama sa iba. Sabay-sabay! Bakit ba? Iwan mo ang isa. Bakit ba? Sa akin ba'y nasawa na? Sinusunod naman kita. Wala pa rin kwenta. Bakit ba? Salamat!
Really nice. Oh, galing. Galing.
Galing. Noel, thank you very much, Noel. Shackle, the man, okay? Thank you, Ata. You wanna talk to him?
Yes, hi, Gerald.
Hello.
Hi. Can you speak English with me?
Aliyo.
A little, okay. And you're part of a band?
Yes, I
What
am.
is it called?
IX.
IX. And you sing English songs, Tagalog songs?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And what kind of genre?
I usually play 80s music and alternative music, aside from original songs.
Okay, that's nice. How long have you been singing?
More than 20 years.
Wow!
Only 21.
I'm only
Well, 1 year old. Okay.
Good. Oh, okay.
Gerald, Gerald, very famous band here, IX also. Ano yung